What makes a player performance projection system groundbreaking? Imagine trying to predict the future of a baseball player with just a crystal ball. Instead, we use data, math, and clever models to do the job. That's what makes a player projection system stand out. It's not just about guessing, it's about making smart, data-driven predictions. These systems gather a lot of information from a player's past. They look at traditional stats like batting average, home runs, and runs batted in. But they also include advanced stats like weighted on-base average, which measures how often a player gets on base, and defense-independent pitching statistics that focus on what a pitcher can control. They convert raw numbers into rate stats, like hits per plate appearance, to compare players fairly across different playing times and eras. Another key feature is how these systems understand how players develop over time. They use aging curves that show how players tend to improve or decline at different ages. For example, a system might predict a player in his early 20s will improve until his late 20s, then decline. This helps forecast not just where a player is now, but where he's headed. They also compare current players to similar players from the past. These similarity scores help estimate future performance based on what happened to players with similar career paths. Systems like FPCT use large databases of past players to find these comparisons. Regression to the mean is another important factor. It means that extreme performances tend to move closer to league averages over time. This prevents overestimating a hot streak or underestimating a slump. Context matters too. Modern systems adjust for ballpark effects, injury history, and even changes in a player's velocity or swing. These tweaks make predictions more accurate and personalized. Advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques are often used to improve predictions. They weigh recent performances more heavily and simulate different scenarios. For example, ZiPS combines recent seasons with injury data, while FPCT creates a range of possible outcomes, including breakout seasons or decline. Finally, these systems don't just give one number. They offer multiple possible outcomes or probability ranges. This helps teams and fans understand the chances of a player having a big season or facing setbacks. These features make projection systems powerful tools for comparing players and making decisions. They turn past and present stats into clear, actionable predictions about future performance. That's what makes a player projection system truly innovative and useful in baseball.